bag of 13 apples contains 2 rotten apples and 11 good apples. Shopper selects a sample of 3 apples from the bag. For part A, we want to find out how many different samples are possible. So from our total of 13 apples, we then want to choose our sample of 3, which gives us 286 possibilities. Okay, now for part B, we want to reach into the bag and only pull out samples of the good apples. So we know that there's 11 out of the 13 apples are good, and we still want to choose our sample of 3, but now only from the good apples, which is going to give us 165. Okay, for part C, this is another use of the complement rule. How many samples contain at least 1 rotten apple, which we can do by finding the total number of apples, or total number of samples, as we did in part A, and subtracting all the samples that contain only good apples, which we did in part B. So we would just do the total number of samples minus the samples containing all the good apples, which then would give us 286 minus 165 to leave us with 121 samples.